29. Okay, I was on mute till now. Sorry guys, I was mute, like my audio was mute and I now noticed. Anyway, let's just continue. Uh, we were on this series 5, 11, 19, 29. So 5 plus 6, 11 plus 8 and 10 and 12. It's a very much simple, man. So 32 and 42. Oh wait, oh yeah, 41. So 15 is 3. If A is this, then what is the value of E? Okay, so it's like a 2 to 2, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. E is a fifth. Yeah, so 10. It's a simple. Select the odd one out from the following options: dog, cat, lion, and elephant. Okay, dog, cat, lion, elephant, lion. All other are like non-wild kind of, or people can have that at their home. So if 1, 2, 3 is coded as 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9 coded in the same code will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 0, 1, 2. In a certain code, mother is written as this. So M is N, O is P, T is U, H is I. So it's clear, very much simple, that next letter only. So E F, so G. Okay, we have G, B, and T. So T, we already had U. So G, B, U. Okay, first two options are only there. So on the last character will be sufficient. So for R it is S. Answer is 2. And now the next one is ABCD is written as WXYZ. Then how EFGH is written? So it's like first four, last four. The second four, EFGH would be like STUV. Okay. Oh, sorry. Mm, A B C D W X Y Z. Yeah. So EFGH should be written as STUV, but it is not in option. So VUTS is there option? No. So how? Okay, if we go by coding, for A it is -4, B it is X, so again -4, -4, -4, right? So for E it will become, so ABCD, but ABCD is also not there. It's something with the last characters only. See, ABCD is WXYZ, so WXYZ is not an option. So here also WX is coming and X is coming. So only we have option 2. Anyway, that is also wrong. But let's see. Yeah, 15 to 20. So 21 to 30. Dog is written as VLT. So for D is V and O is L and G is T. So it's like for G it's completely opposite. So for T it will become also G, and for second one it's 2 minus, I mean 3 minus. So for A it will be like X, and first one D, and for D it is also mm, V. Okay, so 1 2 3. Okay, any option like this? Okay, no options. So our answer is wrong. That is not the scenario. So let's say if for D it is a V and it's just circular and we are moving backwards. So if D is coming as V, then for C it will be U. There is not the option. Uh, for D, if it is a V, then for C it should be W, or yeah, W it's there, right? Yeah, so for C it's really W, and for A it is L, it is same, and for G, now for G it is a T. Okay, so for G it is a T. So now for T it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. Oops, 19. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. The G this, but it is saying Z or Y. Okay, so then in that case uh, Z or Y. How G becomes T, we don't know. So 21 again not attempted. So these kind of questions, nah, it will just eat up our times. Which of the following words cannot be formed using the letters of democratic? So demo is still there, uh, N is not there in cannot be formed using the letters of the word. Okay, in the democratic, N is also not there, right? Y is also not there. So demo C is there, Y is not there. RECATIO, N is not there. And reactor, REACT, all five is there, and demo is also there. So two options are not there. Okay. Here we have multiple answers, so we'll just go with two and then we'll see. Find the meshing number on following series: 4 9 16 25. So 4 plus 5 7, 16 plus 9, so 11, that is 36. So when I'm like solving the sequence and I'm telling like 4 plus 5, so difference is 5, first two difference, and then next difference is 7, and kind of. Okay, so if $x dollar means subtracted by 10, dollar by dollar means added to 5, and okay. Okay, so now we have to solve this. The question's quality is like good. So if $z melons multiply by 3, so whatever is result we need to multiply by 3, right? And on the inside we have y, so y means added to 5, so whatever the inside results we need to add 5. Then x is subtract by 10, so whatever is the inside result minus 10, and inside is 20. So 20 minus 10 is 10, plus 5 is 15, and into 3 is 45. 45 is option yes. So yeah, so choose the word which is least like the others in the group. Carrot, potato, tomato, apple. Apple. Not like apple as a phone, but apple is a fruit. Yeah. A clock shows 4. What will be the angle between the hour and minute hands at that time? So yeah, so we have a clock and the time is 4 o'clock, right? And if you consider the clock has a 360-degree full circle, and 4 is like one third of it, right? So one third is 360 by 3. So 360 by 3 is like 120. So our answer is 120 degree. So in the letters in the word meditate are rearranged in alphabetical order, which letter will be third from the left? So A, then D, and E. So we have E. Which of the following numbers is least like others? So okay, again tricky question. 16, 64, 81, and 100. So 100 is the square of 10, 9, 8, and 4. So see, uh, okay, we don't need to worry about that much. It's just odd even. All three are odd, and only this one is even. So that is fine. If A, B, C, D is written as, okay, again came, but with slight different notation. Coding is different. So A, B, C, D is X, W, V, U. So X, W, V, U. Okay, so something like in the previous two. So E, F, G, H. B, A, Z, Y. Nope. So let's if continue with our other exception, that ABCD is X, W, V, U, then TSRQ. TSRQ is there, yeah. And 30 of J, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, J is a 10. Yeah. And last questions. Which word does not belong to the others? Inch, foot, yard, and mile. So all other three are distance, and yard is area. Find the missing number on the following series: 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. It's clearly square, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, square 36. Select the odd one out from the following options: green, red, blue, white. Okay, now here it's again knowledge based question, that okay, so in the computer science we have GRB coded system, right? So that means how that is formed, like with colors like green, red and blue, which are like main colors. With these three colors combination you can form any color, even white also. So that's why like our answer is white is not that main color. So if air is written as BOJ, okay, then wind written in that code would be starting with X. I'm not giving much time on this to solving it, and we have only one option starting with X, so we will just go with that. And a series is given like it's a multiple of 3's, so 18. Sometimes like we just overthink on this kind of questions. Okay, we try it different, then we just need to like see the numbers and find out. Okay, if the letters in the word brain are rearranged, and then which letter will be the third from the left? So it's again like A B we have already gone, and then I only left, so I. Which of the following numbers is least like the others? Okay, again. This time it's something different. So we have 14, 21, 28, 35. All are multiples of 7. Now 2 are odd and even, that is also 2. Is least like others. So, oh man, this was beautiful question. The answer is 28. How? For 14, the like uh, dividers are like 2 and 7 only. 21, 7 and 3 only. And 35, that's like 7 and 5 only. While for 28, it is 7 to 2. I mean, or you can say like not all dividers are prime dividers, because like 4 is not prime, but 2 and other are prime. Excellent question. Okay, so this is again we have got the same question or what? Okay, so for Z is multiplied by, okay, change, okay, it has changed meaning of the, okay, so for Z is like answer multiplied by 5, Y means added to 3, and X means divided by 2, and our value is 20. So 10 plus 3 are 13 into 5, so 65, but that is not an answer. Divided by 2 is 10, then y is added to 3, so 13, and z is multiplied by 5, so it is, I'm not getting the answer for 38. If you get, then let me know, because for 38 my answer coming is like okay, 65, but 65 is not an option. So if we do this as like reverse engineering, let's try. So 7, 8, 9, 10, and added to 3, which is like 4, 5, 6 and 7, and our divided by 2 will become 10. Instead of divide, if it is like instead of added to 3, it is a minus 3, then 7, then 35. So I will just go with 35, and assuming it's a mistake here, is instead of added it is subtracted, so that, okay, monkey is coded as this, how tiger is coded? Okay, if we look in the answer, all are completely different. So 6 and 6, so y is x, so it's just previous one, so r should be s. So our first guess should be this one. So M is K. So M is a K, that is previous to previous. So T would be R. Yeah, it is also coming perfect. So answer is first. So here like no need to complete solve. We just need to save our time for this. Choose the word which is the least like the others in the group. So lion, tiger, elephant and cheetah. Okay, so lion, tiger and cheetah are like wild animals or kind of, and elephant is our cute animal. Maybe later. And the now last 10 questions. So in a certain code language, earth is written as this. How is water written in that code language? Okay, so earth. So last letter is plus 2. T is U means plus 1. R is T. So plus 2. C become, okay, A becomes a C. So then again plus 2 and E becomes G. That is also plus 2. So wait, where it was? R is also plus 2. T is also, okay, only T is plus 1, right? Yeah, all other are plus 2. So E is plus 1. So F. Last second is F. So I will not go again in the questions and I will just say that the answer is 2 because all other should be uh, W. So it's wait, W should be Y. R should be T. Mm, A is C. T is V. And E is G. Again, here the confusion because only first one is like full of others, but in the question T should be uh, V. So question is wrong. So let's go with this. Select the odd one out from the following options. So lion, tiger, leopard, zebra. So again, all first three are like, I would say, non-vegetarian or what, wild or kind of. So if rose is coded as 7986, then lily is coded as, okay, rose is 7986. Then lily is coded as, how rose is coded as 7986. Let's need to examine this, man. So rose is 7. Okay. 9 is for O. No idea, right? But we have only one thing, L and L. So 5 and 5. That's the only option I have to solve this. A series is given 3, 8, 15, 24. So 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 7 is 15 plus 9, 24 plus 11, 35. And then the next, that is 45. Which of the following words does not belong with the others? Again, kangaroo, giraffe, elephant, and snake. Snake. All others are like four-leg animals. If 6 is written as 5, 9 is written as 3, how is 15 written in that code? Mm, 6. Okay, so and 9. 9. Okay, so 9 should be 9 is written as 3. How? Anyway, it's like just use simple logic that 6 is 5, 9 is 3, 15 is 6 plus 9. So yeah, I don't have other logic. Find the missing number in the following series, which is 2, 6, 12, 20, 30 again. I think it is again 1. So 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yes, it's a multiple time question. If the letters in the word growth are rearranged second from the left, okay, all are like from the back only. E, F, G, H, and 49. Which of the following numbers is least like the others? Okay, so again we have something different. 23, 29, 35, 37, not different, it's easy. Only 35 is a non-prime. If 7 and 8, 9 is coded as BCD, then 4, 5, 6 written in that code would be BCD is 7, 8, and 9. So 4, 5, and 6 should be E, F, G. We don't have any options. So G, H, I, F, G, H, E, F, G, or D, E, F. But D is already there. So we would go with E, F, G. So now we have completed the reasoning section. So now it's the English section. Correct synonym for luminous. Luminous is bright. So she is very diligent in her work. So English questions are like you will not face a time difficulty mostly. So choose the correctly spelled word. Accommodate. First one only. These type of questions, na even like the one will like face the difficulty, because if you see some similar question, you will be confused if English is your like first language, native language. Choose the correct antonym for the word provoke, and we need antonym. So calm. Provoke is like you are just poking something. The meeting was postponed due to, we are just like showing the reason or even by which influence it is postponed. Error in the following sentence: neither of the two boys have completed their homework. Okay, so here, error in the following sentence: neither of the two boys have, neither and nor are caught together, right? So it should be like something like none of the two boys have completed, so neither is the error for me. Let's see how it is. Synonym for imminent. It was imminent, so it was improbable, indefinite, impossible, immediate. Impossible is something like not possible. Indefinite, which is not defined. Improbable is something not possible, kind of. So immediate is the truth. The project will be completed within 6 months. Completed in 6 months. Something like in. I mean, completed by 6 months. It's not good to use of by. By is used when you will be like giving is like completed by 19th of January or something like that. A specific point, if you are pointing, then by is there. If it is a duration, then its period is in. Yeah. Choose the correct antonym for the word tranquil. Okay, so tranquil is, and we need antonym. uh, so like in this type of question, how I will attempt is like quite, calm, both are same. Now agitated and serene is there. Okay, serene is also again similar to this one only, so agitated is only the our option. These kind of questions are easy if the options are like this also. She told me to, she told to me the entire story. Told to, she told me आएगा ना. Yeah, so to me is the error part. So the next question, correct synonym for the word compass, narrate. Kind. They were amazed. It's a past tense. Choose the correctly spelled word. See, I mean, you are tempted to do this, but the option is this: receive. Choose the correct antonym for the word optimistic. So, antonym and pessimistic. Fill in the blank. The happy dog barked like loudly. The happiest dog barked loudly. The happily dog barked loudly. Happily or happy? Happily. Nee. The happily. The and happily is not. So the happy dog. Identify the error in the following sentence. Each of the students are responsible for their own work. So each of the students are responsible for their own work. Their and on is together, should not be there. Choose the correct synonym for Arduous. True speaking, I don't know, but we need to give the synonym. So easy and simple and pleasant are like in similar context. So difficult is the only option which is as one looks as answer same as the question is difficult. So difficult, yeah. Fill in the blank. C is well known for. That's a straightforward. Even like uh, it was not complete sentence, and also like that's for only. Choose the correct antonym for the word diligent. So it's diligent means, I mean, something like truly doing something or kind of things. So industrious, persistent, hardworking, lazy. So lazy. Identify the he is going to the park, isn't it? Okay. So isn't it is going to the park? Isn't he आएगा ना? Isn't it is not right choice. So next set of questions. Correct synonym for the word eloquent. So clumsy, fluent, awkward, inept. Fluent. True speaking, I don't know much of this, but I will go with fluent. Fill in the blank. He is learning a new language. Choose the correctly spelled word. Oh, again. So it will be occurrence. I bet like in the actual exams, this correctly spelled word would be the only one which is like making the tempting to make a mistakes. Choose the correct antonym for the word expand, and we need antonym, so it's a contract. Fill in the blank. C goes to the gym every morning because it's a regular. Identify the error in the following sentence. I am interested to learn French. I am interested in learning French. Yes. Choose the correct synonym for the word brilliant. And we need synonyms, that is intelligent. Fill in the blank. The book was written by a famous author. Choose the correct antonym for the word, and it's antonyms, so ancient, modern. And identify the error in the following sentence. She sings good. Huh? She sings good. She is good in singing. She is a good singer. She sings good. No error. Let's. I think only 5 questions left now, or completed. Oh, we have done more. Correct synonym for the word timid. So bold, brave, confident is all are like opposition of this. So our answer is shy. Fill in the blank. He put puts a lot of effort. Puts, or he is putting, but is not there. So he put a lot of effort into the project. Okay. He put a lot of effort into the project. Yes. I'm tempting towards D. Choose the correctly spelled word. Necessary. First one is only the easy and true. Choose the correct antonium for the word harmony. Harmony is like moving in, I mean, the rhythm or kind of thing, right? So we need antonium. So it's like discord. Fill in the blanks. The end of the novel was very interesting. The start of the novel was very interesting. The beginning of the novel was very interesting. Start, middle, and is perfect point, while beginning is a section. Each of the boys are playing in the field. Each of the boys are playing in the field. What is this? All of the boys are playing. Right, so each is the wrong one. Choose the correct synonym for the word add-on. So add-on. And mm, no idea, so we will go with plain. C has been working here from 5 years, since 5 years, since 1999, like this. She's been working here since 2020, like that, since is used. Working here for 5 years. It's like completed, but not like this. Continuous working. So from. Choose the correct antonym for the word obscure. Obscure is like gone or kind of. And here it is clear. Identify the error in the following sentence. She will be arriving on tomorrow. She will be arriving tomorrow. That's simple. Finally, English is completed. Oh, still it is 50 questions. Choose the correct synonym for the word embellish. Synonym to embellish is simplify. I'm not sure. If I'm wrong, let me know. Fill in the blank. The teacher explained the lesson clearly. Choose the correctly spelled word millennium. See, I told you earlier also. It's the only thing which is confusing. Choose the correct antonym for the word fragile. Antonym, fragile, strong, something. Fill in the blank. The committee discussed the new policy. Okay, today, in fact, today there was a RBI policy meeting for the repo rate. So it's like the committee met to discuss the new policy. Committee meets to discuss the new policy. Committee meet to discuss. Commit to. That's not possible. Meets to. Meeting to. mat 2, because 2 is there, so only mat is coming. Can identify the error in the following section. The information you provided are very useful, were very useful. Choose the correct synonym for the word adapt. So we are adapting this change. So clumsy is not there, skilled is not there, awkward is not there, inept. She worked hard so that she could succeed. Like me. Correct, correct antonium. Ambiguous, ambiguous. Clear. Error in the following sentence. He are going to the market. He is. Now quantitative aptitude. Okay, again, logical questions are coming, and which is like favorite parts to the people like me who just needs like notebook. Okay, sells a product at 200 after giving a 20% discount. 250. What is the value of square root of 144 is 12 into 3, which is 36. The average of 5 consecutive odd numbers is 27. See, 5 consecutive odd number ki average is 27, so 27 is the middle number, and the smallest of this number is 23. A car travels at the speed of 60. How long it will take to cover a distance of 150 kilometer? So 150 kilometer is for 60 kilometer 1 hour, another 60 kilometer 1 hour, and 120 kilometer we have already crossed. Now 30 kilometers, so 2.5 hours. See, for these questions you don't need when like notes or also. The ratio of the ages of two persons is 3 by 3 4, and the sum of their ages is 28 years. Okay, again bit simple. So ratio is 3 by 4, right? Okay, so we can do it by options also, that is 12 and 16. So 14 and 14 ratio is not matching, and okay, so here is trick. 12 years and 16 years, 16 and 12 years. They haven't asked anything, so we need to pick this one because the ratio is 3 4. So first person is the smaller one. So yeah, keep in mind this one. Just don't blindly select the fourth one. What is the value of this? 25 square root minus 15 square root. Okay, so 25 into 25 is 625, and 15 into 15 is 225, which is 400. Oops. Yeah. If a sum of money doubles in 5 years at simple interest. See, 5 years in the simple interest. So interest is same as the sum. So x is our interest, and p is I mean x is our principal also x. R we have, n is 5, and 100. So xs is gone, r is 20. A train 150-meter long is running at the speed of 60 kilometers per hour. How much time will it take to cross a platform 450 meters long? So now we need to cross the platform. So how much time it will take for the first point of train to enter to the last point of train to exit. So total distance it need to cover is 450 plus the train's distance, that is 150, so which is 600. So 600 meters it has to cross, and how much time it will take. So the it's like 60,000 meters for 300 something seconds, and 600 for how much? So 636, but something I've done wrong. Okay, let me calculate again. If a train uh, is 150 meters long, how much time it will take to cross a platform? Yeah, it's same, but if it's a 300 and 19, and if it's just 450, then 24 seconds, but it's not 450, it's more. And if it is 636 seconds, and we don't have much of the clarity, so I will go with first because it's near to the my answer. If the cost price of 15 article is equal to the selling price of 10 articles, what is the profit percentage? I am blindly guessing this is 33%, but let's complete. See, cost price of 15 articles is, let's say, X, right? It's a selling price. So my selling price is X plus X by 2. I'm uh, consider it like I am buying something at 150 rupees and selling 10 items at 150 rupees. So 5 items are my profit. So 50%, right? 50% profit is there. Yep, discount the purchase, then the area of rectangle is 96 square meters. If the length is 12 meters with 8, why it is not, oh, not there here, yeah. Awesome. So next 10 questions. What is the value of this? So 60 plus 5, which is 65. The perimeter of a square is 64 meter. What is the length of one side? Again, it's a simple, that is 20, oh, 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 16 meters. If the simple interest on a sum of money for 3 years at 4% annum is this. Okay. Uh, 3 years, 4% per annum. It's 1,000 rupees. A shopkeeper sells a shirt at 25% profit if the cost price of the shirt is 400. सो उसको 25% प्रॉफिट मिल रहा है. सो सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस. $500. The circumference of a circle is 44 centimeter. What is the radius of circle? So pi is 22 by 7. Okay. So circumference would be 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r equals to 44. So 7. Again, it's a simple one. What is the value of this? Again, the simple like playhouse maths. Order of solving the equation, which is like 9 and 3 is 27. And if someone is doing it on the other hand, it would not be possible. That is 27, then it makes a 3 is not option. They should have 3 as option also. Now sum of the three consecutive even numbers is 54. What is the smallest of these numbers? Now sum of three even numbers. So let's say a is a even number, first even number, smallest, and now sum. Okay, so we have added all this, so plus 6 equals to 54. So 3a equals to 48 and a equals to 16. If a train travels at a speed of 72 kilometers per hour, how far it will travel in 45 minutes? That is 1/4. Uh, Not 1/4, 3 by 4th. So uh, 18, so 54. I was just confused. A bag contains 5 red balls and 7 blue balls. What is the probability of drawing a red ball? Is 5 by 12. Simple. If x equals to 5 and y equals to 7, then what is the value of this? Why these kind of questions are asked, I don't know. 15 plus 14, 29. Maybe if someone is like just keeping this kind of question and not attempting other, then they will just lose marks. So now attempt the next 10 questions. Okay, the sum of two numbers is 30 and their difference is 10. So which is a plus b equals to 30, a minus b equals to 10. What are the numbers? Simple, 10 and 20, or 20 or 10. 20 and 10. What is the value of this? Okay, so 2 by 3. A rectangular a rectangular garden has a length of 20 meters and width of 15 meters. So it's a 40 plus 30 means 70. The next question, if the average of four numbers is 25, what is their total sum? Four numbers 100. The product of two numbers is this. If one of the numbers is 12, the other number is also 12. What is the value of this if x is 3 and y is 4? If x is 3, then it's a 6, and y is 4, then it's a 12, so 18. The simple interest or sum of money for 5 years at 6% annum is this. Okay, so again we have 5 and 6. The principal is 6,000. The car travels at a distance of 300 kilometer in 5 hours, so 60. If the cost price of 20 articles is equal to the selling price of 15 articles, what is the profit percentage? Okay, cost price of 20 articles is, let's say, x, and if I am selling 15 for x, then 5 will be x by 3. So x by 3 is my profit, and if I mean the yeah, and profit percentage, right? So it's 1 by 3, so it's a 33 point. The area of a square is 121 square meters. What is the length of one side? 11 meters. Okay, so now next 10 questions we have. If x equals to 3 and y equals to 4, what is the value of this? That would be 9 plus 4 minus 25. A shopkeeper sells an article for 450 rupees at a loss of 10%, 500. What is the value of this? 25. If the radius of a circle is 7 centimeter, what is its area? So area is pi r square. So that is 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 7 is cancelled, and 22 7 is remaining, right? So answer is 2. The average of 6 numbers is 8. One of the numbers is excluded, the average becomes 7. What is the excluded number? So now average is of 8 number is 8, right? So total is 48. Now one number is removed, so minus x, one number is removed, and so now the total numbers are 5 and average becomes 7. So 48 minus x equals to 35, so x equals to 13. Oops, wait, 48 minus x, one number we have removed, and average becomes, so 7. So 35. So x would be 13. Answer should be 13. But nearest is this one, right? What is the value of this? Okay, so hmm, 9, 12, 11. For me, it's 11. But 11 is not an option. Again, so 35 and 36 both are like with bit wrong answers. So the sum of 5,000 is invested at 10% per annum simple interest. What will be the sum? What will the amount after 3 years? So 10% simple interest. So 500 rupees is the interest. So 6,500. The perimeter of the rectangle is 60 meters. If the length is 20, width would be how much? 10. Product of two numbers is 180 and the ratio is 3 by 4th. What are the numbers? Okay, so the product is two numbers are 180 is only this one. Even you don't need to solve this, you can just see that only one option is satisfying this. If a man can do a piece of work in 5 days, how much work can he do in 1 day? 1 by 5th. The last 10 questions of this, and if this, then what is the value of this? Then it is 29. Oh, 14th plus 15, 29. Again, not an option. So here something is wrong with AI. A shopkeeper sells an item for 600 rupees at a profit of 20%. What was the cost price of the item? 500. What is the value of this? So that would be 36 plus 6, 42. Perimeter of a rectangle is 50 meters. If the width is 10 meters, the length is 15th. If the product of two numbers is 180 and one of the numbers is 12, what is the other number? 15. What is the value of this? So 9 and 45 minus 7, 38. Wait, 9, 45, yeah, 38 should be the answer. Again, nearby the answer. A sum of 8,000 rupees is invested at 5% per annum simple interest amount after 4 years. So now 5%, that means 400 rupees, and 4 years means 9,600. The circumference of a circle is 66 centimeter. What is the diameter of a circle? So diameter is 2r and circumference is 2 pi r, right? So if 2 pi r is 66, so we just need to divide by pi, which would in return become 21. So 3. X is 4, y is 6. What is the value of this? 16 plus 36, which become Oh, it's minus. Sorry. So 16 minus 36 minus 20. Again, wrong. If the area of rectangle is 180 square meters and the length is 15 meters, area of the rectangle is this. Okay, so 12. And now we have professional knowledge. So which of the following is a relational database management system, RDBMS? Okay, so MySQL, Couch, Mango, or MySQL. I was just thinking on different directions. What does HTTP stand for in web development? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Which of the following is a popular programming language used for web development? JavaScript. In computer networking, what does TCP/IP stands for? Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. Which of the following is a version control system? Git. What is the primary purpose of an operating system? To manage computer hardware and software resources to create a yeah, first one. Which of the following is a markup language used to structure content on the web? So markup language is HTML. Yes, the name itself says HTML is a markup, not CSS. And what does SQL stand for? Structured Query Language. Which of the following is an example of NoSQL database? MongoDB. For information, Postgres is also SQL. What is the main function of a firewall in network security? Block malicious traffic. Okay, so we have answered the first 10. Now, next 10 questions. Which of the following is a front-end JavaScript framework? So, front-end JavaScript framework is Django, Flask, React, or Laravel. React. Django is for Python. What does CSS stand for? Cascading Style Sets. Which of the following is a cloud computing service? AWS. In database, what does CRUD stands for? Create, read, update, delete. Which of the following is a command line tool for managing and deploying application in Kubernetes cluster? Kuber control or Docker compose. Oops, this is following command line tools. Kuber control. What is the main purpose of an API? To connect different software applications. What does JSON stand for? JavaScript Object Notation. Which of the following is a distributed version control system of Which of the following is a distributed version control system? SVN, CVS, Perforce, Get. Mm, I would still go with Git. I know Perforce is also there, but Perforce is a bit older, so I will go with Git. What is the main function of database index? To accelerate data retrieval. In computer networks, what is the purpose of a router? To connect multiple networks and route data between them. Yes. Which of the following is a web server software? Web server software. Apache. What is the primary purpose of DBMS? To manage and organize data. Some questions are very basic, some questions are good. Which of the following is a JavaScript library for building user interface? Again, React. What does XML stand for? Extensible Markup Language or extensible. In networking, what does LAN stand for? Local area network. Which of the following is an open source database management system? Microsoft Access is Microsoft's Oracle is Oracle SQL Server and PostgreSQL. So SQL Server or PostgreSQL? Open source database management system is PostgreSQL. Yes. So Postgre. What is the purpose of load balancer and network to distribute network traffic? Which of the following is a widely used version control system? Again, Git. What is the main purpose of encryption? To protect data from okay. And web development, CSS, cascading style sets. Okay, so for this time question, we have taken very much less time, so that's why he's saying you are on fire. So let's complete again 10 questions. Which of the following is a popular front and web development framework? React. Oh, I have done the enter. Okay, in the context of database, asset is atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Yes, two. It should be consistent or consistency, durable. Atomicity, consistency, isolation, and selected. I will still go with two. What is the primary function of a content management system? Primary function of CMS is to create and manage digital content. Yes. Which of the following is a backend web development framework? Angular. What does DRY stands in software development? Do reuse your code. Even I heard first time this one. In networking, what does DNS stands for? Domain name system. Which of the following is a popular web hosting service? Which is Heroku. In the context of APIs, what does REST stand for? Representational state transfer. What is the purpose of cache in computing? To speed up the data retrieval. Which of the following is a protocol used for secure communication over the internet? HTTPS. So now last 10 questions are remaining. Oh, completed. Yeah, we have completed. And now we have got like what the correct answer are and all these things. So let's see. Even you don't have to like go through each how and calculate it, because it will give you wait the here's summary of your answers and the correct ones for each section. Okay, so now we will ask some more questions to the AI, like can you please provide full summary of all questions asked in this pattern of IPPB SO IT and provide time for all section, like how much I took. Let's see if it can provide us a time. Reasoning was 35 question and 35 minutes, so we have taken 35 minutes and 30 minutes, 35 minutes and yeah. Okay, so can you calculate exact time based on our uh, message exchange? Sure. So the reasoning took us 41 minutes, English took us exact 30 minutes, quant also took us exact 35 minutes, and professional knowledge took us uh, 45 minutes. So total it has taken 151 minutes. And now what was the time in uh, IPPB notification? So the IPPB notification was, I think, 145 minutes. Uh, Not this one, but the sections time in this notification. Okay, then let's just check IPPB current openings. Okay, and here if we go to the SO and information handout, so here we have total of 120 minutes, but the questions are also less. And what questions we have asked? Okay, can you provide summary with a number of question and time taken for that section? Okay, so reasoning, it has asked us 50 questions. Instead, there will be only 40 and 35 minutes. So that 50 questions we have completed in 41 minutes. So that is also fine. English also 50 questions, 30 minutes. And for there, we have 40 for 40 questions they give 30 minutes, but we completed 50 questions, so that is also fine. And quantitative aptitude 50 questions, 35 minutes. For this 40 question, 35 minutes, so that is also fine. And professional knowledge 50 questions, 45 minutes, 50 questions, 35 minutes. So only the professional knowledge one took more time for us. We should be like faster in this section. Other sections are like fine as per this notification. So like this way, like you can give your notification details and it will help you in giving the mock test, and you can see like different summaries of what all these things. And like even if you want like let's say uh, mm, if something okay, let's say in quant I want solution for question number 15. Yeah, so it has given this solution like complete answers, like it is 7 centimeter. So this way you can like get all the answers also with all the solutions also. So yeah, that's it for today.